Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel English with Gul. Today we will talk about how to speak fast English. Yes, it can be possible very soon if we follow these simple steps. The first one is practice speaking regularly. Yes, you hit correctly. The more we speak, the better we will get. Try to have conversation in English, even if it's just with yourself. This will help a lot in your English fluency journey and also speed up your English. The second one is learn common phrases. Memorize and practice common expressions or phrases in your daily conversation. This will help a lot to improve your speed. The next one is focus on fluency, not perfection. Yes, don't worry too much about making mistakes because the goal is to speak fluidly, not even it's perfect. The next one is expand your vocabulary. The more words you know, the easier it will be to make sentences quickly. Learn and listen English contents and learn new words and phrases on daily basis. This will help a lot in your English pronunciation and also in your vocabulary. The next one is listen and imitate. Try to listen native speakers in podcast, movies, or in English contents on social media or in YouTube videos. Listen and imitate their speed and pronunciation. This will help a lot to improve your speed and pronunciation and get used to how fast English is spoken. The next one is use contractions. Yes, you heard right. Native speakers often use contractions or short sentences. For example, I am inverted commas instead of I am in short form, and do not inverted commas don't in short form. This will help a lot to improve your speed. The next one is learn to reduce words. Yes, native speakers also use short sentences. For example, going to becomes gonna and wants to becomes wanna. This technique or this simple step will help a lot in your English language journey. The next one is practice tongue twisters. Yes, you heard it right. Tongue twisters are a fun way to improve your speed and pronunciation in English language journey. For example, she sells seashells by the seashore. The next one is be confident. Speaking English comes with confidence. If you are confident in achieving your goal, then you will be able to speak fast or fluid English. So always be confident with yourself and using much more efforts to achieve your target. The next and the last one is record yourself. Yes, record your speech and listen to it. Try more and more practice in much more time and maintain your clarity in attempting much more effort, much more shorts and videos which you record yourself. And this record yourself speech will help a lot in your English improvement and you will be able to speak fast. So, by combining these practices, you will be definitely able to speak fast English and fluid English. If you like this video, hit the bell icon. Thank you.